Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Stand with your back to the camera for the first 8 counts. Bring your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left with your palms facing out, then bend your elbows twice to bring your hands in as you curl your fingers in and bend your left knee twice. Switch the positions of your arms, then do these movements in the opposite direction. Do the movements again in the opposite direction. Lower your arms, then step behind your left foot with your right foot and turn to the right until you are facing the camera. Bring your fists up near your chest with your elbows pointing outward, then extend your arms out to either side as you step forward on your right foot. Bring your arms and foot back in, then punch upward with your right fist. Take a step forward on your right foot again as you bring your left fist up, then bring your left fist down and punch outward with your right fist as you step forward on your left foot. Bring your right arm back down as you step back on your left foot, then bring your right foot back to meet it. Step over to the right with your right foot as you curve your left arm in and down, then bring your right fist up near your right shoulder as you tap your left foot in place. Repeat this last move in the opposite direction, but move your right foot over near your left foot. Keeping your elbows bent, move your right then left hand out to either side, palms facing up. Bring your hands in, then move them up and out slowly as you bend your knees a bit. Take 4 steps in a circle to the left, starting on your left foot. Clap in front of you once, then bend your elbows so that they point out to either side. Bring your right elbow up and your left elbow down, then switch their position, then switch them once again, bringing your right elbow up a bit more as you look to the right and bend your left knee to the left. Do this move in the opposite direction. Turn your right knee back in, then extend your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left. Move your hands back in, then extend your right arm down and to the right and swing your left arm up and back as you look in the same direction. While facing the camera, extend your right arm out to the right, then put your left hand on your right shoulder and lower your right arm. Kick out slightly with your right foot, then bring it back down as you swing your right arm up and back and look in the same direction. Repeat this move on the left. While facing slightly to the left, bring your right foot up and over to the left a bit as you move your right hand in front of your mouth. Bring your right foot back down as you bend your left knee and look to the right while moving your right hand over to the right with your elbow bent and your palm facing up, then drop your hand. Wait 1 count, then step over to the left with your left foot as you move your right hand in front of your left shoulder. Bring your right hand down and around so that it is back near your right side as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Plant your left foot out to the left and move your right hand in front of your face, palm facing in, then turn your hand to the side and extend your index finger. Step further out to the right with your right foot as you begin to swing your right hand in a large clockwise circle, then bring your right foot back over to meet your left foot as you bring your hand back up near your mouth. Turn to the left and bend your left knee as you swing your right arm around to bring your hand near your face. Move your right hand up, then pull it back down. While still facing to the left, move your right arm out behind you, then move your left arm out in front of you, keeping your elbows and wrists slightly bent. Bend your right knee as you turn to face the camera, and bend your wrists as well so that your fingers are pointing up, then bend them again, bringing your hands back down. Keeping your elbows bent, bring your hands in front of your chest, then tilt your head to the right, then back up as you wiggle your fingers and move your hands back out to either side. Lift your arms up slightly, then lower them slowly as you bend your knees a bit. Extend both arms out to either side and step forward on your right foot. Bend your elbows, bringing your left arm in front of you and your right arm behind you as you turn your right heel in. Bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you bring your right, then left hand up to either side of your face. Turn your head in a clockwise circle, then bend your knees and look down as you bring your elbows up. Jump slightly, separating your feet as you swing your arms up and out. Bend your right knee and bring your right hand up to brush your left shoulder off twice. Bend your right knee further as you tilt your head to the left and bring both hands together near the left side of your face. Straighten your right leg a bit as you move your hands and head up slightly, then do so again before bending your knee and moving your head and hands back down. Swing your right arm up and back as you look in the same direction and step in place on your right foot. Then swing your left arm up and back as you look in the same direction, but bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Hop forward on your right foot as you kick out with your left foot and move both fists toward the camera. Then move them back in as you bring your left foot down. Swing your right arm up and back as you turn to the right so that your back is facing the camera. Keeping your elbow bent, move your left hand out to the left, palm facing up as you look to the left. Do the same on the right, then drop your right arm and shake your left hand twice before swinging your left arm to the left and turning to the left until you are facing the camera again. Step out a bit with your right foot and lean forward slightly. With your right hand, point forward and to the left a bit, then point forward 3 more times, moving a little further to the right each time. Stand up straight, then, keeping your elbow bent, move your right hand up, then back down twice, then move it down once more before swinging it up and back. While turned slightly to the right, extend your right arm up and to the right, then bring both hands to the back of your head with your elbows pointing out to either side. Turn to the left and bend your knees, then stand up straight and face the camera. Bring your right foot closer to your left foot as you swing your arms in a clockwise circle above your head. Swing them in another clockwise circle, but this time, spin to the right until you are facing the camera again. Step forward on your right foot as you extend your left arm up and to the left and your right arm down and to the right, then bring your foot and arms back in before repeating this move in the opposite direction. Bring your right arm up and your left arm down, then swing them in a clockwise circle as you turn to the right until your back is to the camera. Quickly punch up with your right fist, then bring it back down. Turn to the left and move your left hand toward the camera, keeping your elbow bent and your palm facing up. Wait 1 count, then put your left hand on your hip and your right hand on your head, and turn your head in a counterclockwise circle. Begin turning your head in another counterclockwise circle, but turn to the left to face the camera. Slide your right hand from your left shoulder to your right shoulder, then turn your hand so that your palm is facing the camera and move your hand up and out, ending with your right arm down by your side and your left knee bent as you look to the right. Wait 2 counts, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and cross your arms in front of your face with your palms facing out. Pull your arms out to either side slowly, then bring your right, then left hand in front of your mouth with your palms facing in. Swing your hands outward, then down to your sides. Repeat part 1, but tilt your head to the left this time.